welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna hop into this. It was requested for me to do an updated brow routine, so here we are today. I'm gonna just jump right into it. If you want to see how I achieve my brows, of course keep watching because they're not here. Alright, so first what I usually do, I like to use brow pencils. My favorite pencils to use are the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade dark brown. I also like to use the Kat Von D. I can't remember what it's called. What is it called? I can't remember what it's called, but anyways, I'll link it below, or I'll put it in the list. I won't link it. I'll put it in the list below of like my favorite brow products to use. Today I will be using an AOA product. This is from Shop Miss A, or from Miss A. The website is called Shop Miss A, but it's $1 brow pencil, so I want to show you how to get a super affordable brow. I personally like fluffy brows, so I'm going to show you how I get my fluffy feathery brow. So I'm going to start using this pencil. It's a sculpting brow pencil. Usually I prefer to use like the really skinny precise ones, but they don't have those, so I'm going to be using the one that has more like the triangle tip. I like to use the one, the precise one, but I'm going to use the triangle tip one today to show you how I achieve my brows. First thing I'm going to do is brush up my brow. I'm going to do this because I have brow hair here, but it's not super full, so I want to maximize the volume and the hairs that I have there, so I'm going to brush those upward. So I'm going to brush them up. And then I'm going to go along the top and just brush it over to start to create the shape that I want. Do the same thing on the other side. Brush up, up and down. So this will give me the thickness of the brow that I want to achieve. Then I'm going to take my pencil and start from the front and very lightly doing very short light strokes. Gonna go up underneath the brow to start to create the shape that I want. Make sure it's nice and crisp and defined. So that's so. Going straight out. I'll go along it a little bit more just to deepen up the color. I like to start light and then add color if I need to, because it's a lot easier to build up your color versus trying to, you go in super harsh and you gotta go blend it out. I'd rather not do that. So now that I have my underline, I'm gonna do the same thing on top. On the top of the brow, excuse me, on the top of the brow, I'm going to start here. So basically where the hairs start to grow upward, the ones that go straight up, I'm not gonna fill those in quite yet, or create that line quite yet. I'm gonna go here and create my top line. So pretty much just outlining the brow. And making those two lines connect. Alright, so we have the outline. Now I'm going to take my pencil and start to create some hair-like strokes. So going in the direction that the hairs grow. Just lightly filling in these sparse areas, because again we want to keep these brows very light and fluffy. So I'll start at the back first, fill that in, and then I'll start to go in the front. Again, following the natural direction of where the hairs go or grow. And then in the front, I'm going to very lightly do some strokes upward to add a little more depth there. Because again, my hairs are pretty thin, but they are there. So I want to still make sure that the hair is the focal, and then the focal point. And then I'm just adding color there to be able to enhance that. Right, so once I have that down, I'm just gonna go through and brush everything up. Again, still making sure it's nice and soft. Just making sure it's nice and clean down here. And that's pretty much it. Sometimes depending on the day, I'll go through with a clear brow gel or just like a clear mascara and brush it through my brows just to make sure that my hairs stay up and that it keeps that fullness, that volume there. So yeah, I'm going to do the other brow off camera and I'll be right back. I'll do a little side to side so you can see what they look like before. hairs there, but not, you know, it's filled in. And then my filled in brow. Okay, be right back. Alright, I'm back with both brows. Other brow took me no more than like 3 to 4 minutes. I don't like to spend a lot of time on my brows. I like them to be defined, effortless, fluffy. That's how I go about it. I'm not about that 30-minute brow life. I can't do it. I'm all about 30-minute eye life, but not for the brows. So yes, it's my finished brow tutorial, if you will. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave suggestions down below. That's how we got this video here. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. As always, I appreciate you guys' support. I will have listed down below some of my favorite brow products to use, and also like the clear mascaras that I like to use on my brows as well. Even though I didn't use one today, I'll be sure to list that down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.